follow the crowd. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, I told you. Has to be someone.
Joey Bryan. I think so.
Got it.
Wow. Ooh, look at those snow-capped peaks. Beautiful. Pretty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, these tulips are so pretty. So beautiful. Wow, look at the colors. Very beautiful. Pretty little daffodils. Beautiful. Look straight ahead over there. So pretty, the colors. Mount Vernon or Mount Baker. One rogue, red one over here, amongst all the daffodils. Look at all the colors in the field up ahead. Magnificent. Gorgeous, gorgeous purple. Beautiful colors. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. Like a lilac color tulip. Just fantastic. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Tulip fields everywhere. Love it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at these baskets. So pretty. Wow. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. And then this here is the gift shop. You can buy tulips here and a bunch of other good stuff. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous tulips. Wow. They're spectacular. Ooh. It is a feast for the eyes. Just amazing. Absolutely amazing. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Beautiful, beautiful tulips. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Wow. It's amazing. Oh, beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Wow. This is beautiful in here, Shannon. Wow, it's amazing. You did. Magnificent. Gorgeous. Amazing. Wow. Just a fiesta of color. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow. Just magnificent colors. Wow. Oh, those are so pretty. Look at those daffodils. They're gorgeous. Oh. Wow. Just magnificent. Gorgeous.
Like this is
Oh, these are cool. They're ruffled tips. Oh my God. Tulip heaven. This is tulip heaven. My mother would love this. She was a tulip fanatic. Beautiful. Oh, those are cherry blossoms. They're so pretty. Very beautiful. I have seen the most magnificent tulips here.
I know, they're amazing.
There was some back
This
there.
is shaken heart.
That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, that's heart-shaped tulip design. Incredible. Wow, and this is a holly tree. Look.